Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Tutanota into your desktop. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download your Tutanota into your desktop, you just simply have to open any of your browsers on your computer. Now, after opening the browser, just simply go to the Search tab and search for Tutanota for Windows. After doing that, the Secure Desktop Clients for Linux, Windows, and Mac option will appear. Click into that to download your Tutanota. Now, you just simply have to scroll down to the bottom and there you will find these options. Just simply click the Desktop Client for Windows option, and then it will download a setup file into your computer. You just have to wait for the file to download. After downloading the file, just simply open the file and then click Next here, and now click Install. After a short processing, your Tutanota application will successfully be installed into your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.